Hello everyone, and congratulations, you made it all the way to the last scale with the sharps, right? We did do it the C sharp major, that practically we closing one side of the circle of fifth, right? C sharp major that has all of them sharp: C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, right? And right now we're having the minor relative that would be, guess what? A sharp minor. 3 steps down, it's A sharp minor. As C major has no flats and no sharps with the relative that it's A minor. Right now we practically are up 1/2 steps and then will be all sharps, right? C sharp major with A sharp minor relatives, right? So if you're new to the channel, please go and see the C sharp major, so it will be easier for you to play the A sharp minor as well, okay? So A sharp minor, 3 kinds: natural, harmonic, and melodic. Yay, you do know the drill, I hope so. Right, so this is the drill. What can be easier than that? They're all sharps. So the white key always is going to be the one that is further away from the black key going down. So don't play E sharp, don't play B, play B sharp, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Left hand cannot be easier than that. Fingering obviously must be number 4 on A sharp, must be number 3 on D sharp, because you can see how it's laid out, the keys are laid out. So you need to have this, and then you need to have this. Left hand the same, you need to have this, and then you need to have this, and then you need to have this, right? So exactly the same like in C sharp major. Go and play that one until you know it very well, and then come to this one. So the harmonic one, it's gonna be this one, that's a G sharp. It will become, guess what? It's gonna be G double sharp, right? So harmonic. Actually, I do like the scale. It sounds really mystic, like mystic, like you are in the Far East place somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the hands. That's your exercise. You know it's gonna be your exercise. If you watch my channel with all the other scales, you need to learn that interval, that is augmented second. It's not a minor third. Should I go slower? I know you can do it. This is not a hard one. If seven sharps. It's not a hard one, and you do know the drill that this one, it's an harmonic with B flat minor, B flat minor. So again, you are learning 2 scales on the same time. So 6 of the scales in the whole circle of fifth we're calling enharmonics, and when I'm gonna go into the flats, I will explain that, or maybe even I will do an entire tutorial. I think that's a better idea to do an entire tutorial with a circle of fifth, in which you will actually see them, how they interact with each other. But anyhow, at this moment in time, we are at, this is the harmonic, and then the melodic, it would be, so we are here, right? So we need to play, this one is gonna be G double sharp, and then this is gonna be F double sharp. So both of them very weird, right? But it is what it is. Right? It's cute. And then going back, it's natural. That natural at this moment in time means sharps. Yeah, it's natural, but they're sharps, right? It's weird. Left hand. It's gonna be 4 here. And then going back, it's sharps. Yay! Congratulations, you made it. Okay, so all the sharps right now. If you followed my channel, yes, I hope you enjoyed. So all the sharps they're in. Starting with next tutorial, I'm gonna start with the flats. That's my dog Smokey that probably wants something. I don't know if you can see him in the video. Yeah, he wants food. He's hungry probably. So starting with next tutorial, I'm gonna start with the flats one by one. There's 7 scales with the flats and 7 minor. So we're gonna have another 14 scales going, one by one. I'm gonna do first the majors and then the minors. The minors are a little easier than the majors in this case, on the flat side. But on top of everything, 6 of them you already know them because we've been doing on the sharps. They're all enharmonics. Okay, so congratulations again. I'm very proud of you. Again, if you are a beginners, I'm happy you did it. I'm very happy. This will be it will help you to learn new pieces and have fun with it and explore it. If you are an early intermediate, do play 2 octaves little by little. And I'm gonna see you on the next video on F major. So do practice, please. Hit the subscribe button and the notification one, the bell button, and leave a comment and like. Do everything you can. Okay? Thank you so much, and I love you all. And Smokey wants my attention. Bye. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.